Hello and welcome to my video demonstration covering the installation of Visual Studio Code. So to get started, I'm going to just type in VS Code in my search dialog, and I'll click the one for download, and I'll go to this link right here, and I'm at visualstudio.com's website, and I'm going to click on the link to download for Windows 10 and 11 right here. So once I do that, it should start downloading for me automatically. I can see it starting to download right there. So we'll give it a second, and then we'll go ahead and install VS Code. A couple more seconds, here we go. So now I'll go ahead and click on the file. I'll accept the license agreement, and I will go ahead and let it install in its default location. And for this, I do want to create a desktop icon, and I want to add the option for Open with Code in my context menus. These are the menus you get when you right click on a file. So when I get into my Windows Explorer directory, if I see a Python file, I want to be able to right click on that and open it with VS Code. And I'll go ahead and click Next, and I will install it. Okay, well, I paused the video for a second. The installation is complete. So I'm going to click Finish and go ahead and launch VS Code. So VS Code has opened. I've got a few options here. I'm going to go ahead and just open a file. Okay, now that I have VS Code installed, I've gone ahead and I've opened up the file device login.py, and I want to just test it and make sure everything is working right. So I'm going to go ahead up here and I'll click on my Run menu, and I will run this without debugging. And it opens up a new terminal for me, and in a few seconds I should create a secure shell connection into the device, and I did indeed retrieve the prompt. I hope this has been helpful for you, and thanks for watching.